And I'm gonna do whole nails and see how it's gonna turn out. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. Let's cure this one for 30 seconds. In the meantime, I am also doing another one. So we're gonna let it cure. And I'm gonna do one of these designs using that foil as well. It like look like they have an oil slick. Let me see if I can. Hey Nuna, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm just sending a quick invite. So great. All right, this one done. Let me move this one on the side for a second. We'll see how this one, and it doesn't matter whatever designs, what side. Oh, I want that look to be on the nails. One of this foil, you can create so many different look. Let me play that one on. Using my tweezers on the other end. This one even better when you're doing on the real client's nails. Make sure you press it firmly. And then you can see that all completely transfer. You can see that how a big piece of it came off. Hi Sarah, how are you? We're gonna do some crystal placements on this. It's really cool though. I like the designs a lot. I'm gonna using my tinted brush. And just for your information, like if you get the tinted brush, if you notice that one thick band will take you to the on the size of the gel brush, and then the other ends with thinner bands will take you to the detail brush. So I'm not using that end.
Luna said she just created that design a few minutes ago.
Did you?
Definitely want to see that picture.
Oh my god, that is awesome, Nuna. I can't wait. I have to. Is that think alike? You think? I was sitting here and I said, oh my, what I'm gonna do? And I was so busy earlier. Did you go live earlier that I missed? I really want to be watching them. And I'm gonna using a no wipe top coat. Okay, so let's see if I do create the crystal placement like yours. It's gonna be awesome if I get to think alike like you. It's gonna be great. Okay, so I have this crystals. Put that right there. And so I'm gonna place them right here. You know what? This is really cool though. Even you can use gel painting and outlines it again. I could see Sarah would do that. I just go right into the detail that it already have for the foyer. How's everyone doing today? Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's gonna be more designs that we're gonna do. This looks freaking good. I'm gonna fill into all of this. It looks really cool though. Oh, it's right here, the flowers. Thank you, Keisha. It's so cool and stunning that nowadays with the foil, it's so much easier, so much fun to play with. And continues. If the clients like don't want any crystal placement, you actually can just top coat it and it's good to go. But if you want to add fun designs on, and also let me add one. I think I see two more pieces I will do right there, and then one more. I'm using probably between size SS4, SS5, SS6. If you want it using a bigger size, I think it looks good as well.
That's good.
Just one more on the edges right there. Right there. Do I miss anything? One more. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds.